First, you'll need a Twilio account. Head over to Twilio.com and sign up if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll land on your console, the central hub for all your Twilio services. To send messages, you need a Twilio phone number. Navigate to Phone Numbers in the left sidebar and select By a Number. Search for a number with SMS and WhatsApp capabilities. This number will be your sender ID for all automated messages. Now, let's talk about integrating WhatsApp. You'll need to set up a Twilio WhatsApp sandbox or connect your own WhatsApp business account. The sandbox is perfect for testing, allowing you to send WhatsApp messages to your own number with ease. The magic happens through Twilio's APIs. We'll use a simple API request to send messages. This request includes details like your Twilio account SID, auth token, the recipient's phone number, and the message content. For SMS, it's similar. You'll use the Messages API endpoint by programming these API calls. You can trigger messages based on events. Think order confirmations, appointment reminders, or even marketing campaigns. Imagine automating appointment reminders. When an appointment is booked, your system sends a request to Twilio, which then sends an SMS or WhatsApp message to confirm and remind the client. This significantly reduces no-shows. For customer interactions, you can build chatbots that respond to customer queries via WhatsApp. Twilio forwards incoming messages to your application, allowing you to process them and send back automated replies, providing instant support. By leveraging Twilio for SMS and WhatsApp automation, you can streamline notifications, enhance customer engagement, and build highly efficient communication workflows. Start automating today.